Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to change file sharing encryption levels in Windows 11. Windows 11 allows users to share files and printers with computers on the same network. The file sharing feature allows you to share files and folders with others on the same network to view, copy, or modify. The printer sharing option lets you make an attached printer available to other computer users on the same network. These features of Windows are quite handy, and you can take advantage of these functions after turning on file and printer sharing in Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 uses 128-bit encryption for file sharing. On the other hand, your older operating systems may use 40-bit or 56-bit encryption for file sharing. So, to communicate with older systems, sometimes you might want to change the encryption level on your Windows 11 system. Here is how to change it. How to change file sharing encryption level in Windows 11? To change file sharing encryption level in Windows 11, first, open Windows 11 settings using the Windows +I keyboard shortcut. Next, select Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, click on the Advanced Network Settings option on the right. On the following screen, under the More Settings section, click the Advanced Sharing Settings option. Here, click on the All Networks tile to expand it. Now, click the File Sharing Connections drop-down menu and choose the 128-bit encryption, recommended, or 40 or 56-bit encryption option according to your requirements. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.